If you are looking for the ultimate toolkit, you're going to want to check this one out. Comes with a nice case, really easy, super sturdy. So let's take a closer look inside. You're going to get over 279 pieces. This has about every different thing you could possibly need, in my opinion. So let's turn this around just like this. You'll see this is what the bottom looks like right over here. So if you wanted to lay this flat down, no problem. So we're going to open this up just like that. This is what we're going to see right over here. So you'll see these are all the sockets right over here. You have so many different options here. We got a 10 all the way down over here. You can see 5/8, 9/16. Pretty much any one you could possibly need is right here. Then if we take a closer look over here, we can see we got our wrenches here. We got adjustable wrench here. We got the needle nose plier. We got the sockets over here. We got extensions over here. It even comes with screws. We have pretty much anything you could think of for the screwdrivers. Look at all these like bits. They're just really, really well made. You can see all the stuff that's in there. These do like kind of are magnetic too, which is really, really nice. Love how this is packaged. And there is more. So if you go over here, right down over here, this pulls out right over here. So we're gonna just pull this out. We gotta shut this right there. Then we're just gonna pull this out, and this is what we have over here. So we have all these screwdrivers, we got wrenches, we have pretty much everything. They did not skip anything. All these wrenches, all the sockets, you have screwdrivers. This one is adjustable, so all those ones I showed you before could just go into there. And then of course we have our standard flathead. We have the Phillips over here. We have Allen wrenches. We have pretty much everything you could possibly need. So if you are looking for the ultimate toolkit that comes compact for yourself, for around the house, for a friend, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.